Hello reception. Now when I went in my walk in the forest the other day, the other thing I found were these pine cones or fir cones. I've got lots of different ones in different shapes and sizes. Now the bigger ones I thought we could make into bird feeders to feed the birds in my garden. So I'm going to use these things to help me make a bird feeder. I've got some peanut butter. But if you're allergic to peanuts, you could use lard instead. I've got some bird seed. I've got some string. And I've also got a pair of scissors. Now the first job is to tie some string to my pine cone. It needs to be quite long so that it can hang from the tree and also stop the squirrels eating it. So I'm going to tie my string to the end of my pine cone. The good thing about pine cones is you've got all these really good grooves to get round, so it shouldn't be too difficult. If you need a bit of help, you can ask a grown-up to help you with this bit. Okay, it should hang on the string and then you'll be able to tie it to the tree. Let's move these other pine cones out of the way. This is the one that we're using. Next, I'm going to spread on some peanut butter. And I'm going to make sure it gets in all these little grooves and cracks. I'm going to use a spoon and spread it on really, really well. Lots and lots of peanut butter. The birds will like this. As I said before, if you can't use peanut butter, you can use lard instead. Once you've completely covered your pine cone in peanut butter, the next job is to roll it in some bird seed so that it's completely covered. Ta-da! Here is my pine cone bird feeder. Now the last thing I need to do is hang this in the tree so that the birds can eat it. Come on! Let's wait and see if our birds enjoy their new bird feeders.